Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pausing every active torrent so traffic stops immediately. This prevents new peer handshakes while you change settings. Then open Options, Preferences, and go straight to Connection and Bandwidth sections so you can modify limits. Write down the current port, encryption setting, and global max peers so you can revert if needed. Once done, proceed to reduce peers and block trackers. These are the first actionable steps that actually stop uTorrent from connecting to other peers. Now, limit the app's reach. Set global max peers and per torrent peer limits to 1 or 0 to stop new peer connections. This throttles uTorrent at the source. Make sure protocol encryption is enabled or forced, so encrypted peers must match your rules. This helps control unwanted handshakes. Then import and apply a known block list, or create firewall rules that deny uTorrent outbound and inbound connections by port or executable. Once these changes are applied, monitor the peers list for decline. Finish by restarting uTorrent to ensure settings take effect, then check the peers column. Counts should fall to 0 or 1. If peers persist, create an explicit OS-level firewall rule blocking uTorrent. EXE or the specific listening port, that guarantees no new connections. Make sure to save your original settings so you can restore them if needed. If something goes wrong, disable the firewall rule temporarily and recheck preferences. This one troubleshooting step usually reveals whether the app or the firewall was causing the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.